This video is to show you how to use the voice control feature in your BMW.
One way to access is to press the little microphone button on the right-hand side of your steering wheel.
If you don't want to use the button to access the voice control, you can always talk to the car. You just say the magic words and tell the car what you're looking for, and it'll give you directions to the closest available thing that you're looking for. So say we want to go to Starbucks and get some coffee. I would just say, "Hey BMW."
Hello, what can I help you with?
I would like Starbucks.
I have found several destinations. Which one should I select?
And then from there, you just pick which Starbucks you'd like to go to. Click either the screen or your button on the center console, and it'll give you directions. Hey BMW, call Mike Berger.
I'm calling Mike Berger.
Now, the voice control has many other uses other than just directions, like so.
Hey BMW, what's the weather going to be today?
Today it will be partly cloudy in Huntsville with temperatures between 45 and 68 degrees.
Hey BMW, turn on seat heating on driver's side.
I'm setting the seat heating on the driver's seat at level 3.
Hey BMW, how much gas do I have?
The remaining range is 256 miles.
Hey BMW, what's my tire pressure?
The current tire pressure is okay in all tires.
Thank you for watching, and thank you for being part of the Century BMW family.